Bantip company hakarukom thok Khubor kabayade berka Jinglong Jingman jaga sun beneng hakajala Meghalaya barkari India hi barok away. Lengba ki press release balapha daka IMD Indian Meteorological Department Shillong hakakhatsan tarik risau ka IMD kelapenlong ka Jinghikai basisngi yaki Nongthoh ka Indian Meteorological Department Shillong bat kinong thok Khubor ha office kapadon halai mer apa Shillong. Nakaliang Director jangka IMD Thang Jalal Luvum lembat uwe officer jangka nega department ba revert paryong kila batai sya ya ka Jinglong Jingman ka Mariang bat sun beneng hakanu kapor kan dum ka sun beneng hakanu karukom ka sun beneng ka science lab bat kinu ki ayom bajur ne baduna haka jinghap slam kini ki officer kila hikai berbatai ru ikinong thok Khubor kumnu kin thok Khubor syapang ki jingkela jangka Mariang bat ka sun beneng haki ayom ba pher bat haki arpusaw kanta hakashisngi kani kajing emir jingmut kalong shisha ka basaiso namar kinong thok Khubor kiyo jingtip yaki jingkela ka Mariang na ka jingshit jingkriat jong ka hau bat ka slapar thei ki bayai man kasngi.
Is in Sora and another aviation meteorological service at Umyang, Marakani. These are the three main offices of Indian Meteorological Department in Meghalaya, which provides the services regarding weather forecasting, regarding nowcasting, regarding services to the farmers, regarding agriculture. So our department is the nodal department to provide all the services for the state of Meghalaya. So our director thought that it's better to have an interaction with the journalists so that we can understand each other better about the way we are providing the weather forecast to the state of Meghalaya. So that's why we have planned to have this meeting today, and we are happy once again that you are here. Although we have come to know that there are other press meetings taking place in another place also, and you will be having again another meeting today in the afternoon, but you have spared your time to be with us here in this morning. Thank you very much. We are happy once again. So my name is Khuborkhasi, and I've been working here since my joining. So as a native of this place, I'm happy with the services of this department, which is providing for the state of Meghalaya, and we wish to continue providing the services, and we wish to do it better and better in course of time. This color according to the weather activity of every district. Okay, this is the warning. This is again in letters. This is the warning. This warning we are issuing only if there is impending weather to occur, then we are issuing this warning. So in this warning also there are some color code. If no warning, that means no rainfall, no thunderstorm, no weather activity, then it is green, all green. Then if some activity is there, some rainfall, some thunderstorm, some wind, then this yellow one, just we are giving in another language, just be aware, this yellow. So if it is red, then there might be severe weather, say heavy rainfall, and then maybe a high wind, like that. If it appears in red color, then definitely there will be some activity, some rainfall, some weather activity in some districts, so this red color will appear. So this is the graphical representation of this warning. Again, same thing here. just we look at the graph, then we can understand any warning if there is any weather activity. Then some district may appear yellow, some district may appear red, like that. Same thing. Okay, SARS, he mentioned some time back about different scales of forecast. So this temporal and spatial. Temporal, it means with respect to time, and spatial with respect to space. This temporal, we are issuing with respect to time, how long it will occur, like that. But the space, how wide the area it occurs, like that. Okay, some temporal scale, suppose nowcast, impending change of weather, we are issuing up to 3 hours. That one which you are getting every 3 hours, if there are some change in the weather due to local activity, cloud is developing, thunderstorm, and then thunder shower. So we issue this nowcast. This is valid up to 3 hours. Again, after 3 hours, if again, according to our observation, likely to be there some weather activity, again we issue again nowcast that is valid for 3 hours. So you may get sometime 3, 4, like that weather press release from our side. Droughts, flood is flash floods only, and then cyclones, heavy rain, heat wave, cold wave, hailstorm, thunderstorm, storm fog. These are some weather activities that we used to get. But in our place, not all this will be there, but some. This is given generally, but in our state, only some. For example, dust storm may not be here, it may be there in Rajasthan. And then heat wave, cold wave, it may not be in our state, it may be in some other areas like that. But these cyclones, so sometimes this cyclone, in some newspaper, if there is heavy wind speed, high wind speed, maybe it has affected, it has uprooted trees, it has uprooted even some thatched houses also. Then some media they report that cyclone has created havoc in some part of the areas like that. But generally, it may not be cyclonal waves. It may be a storm with high wind speed due to local activity, due to low pressure. It may be like that. It may not be always a cyclone. The cyclone generally forms on sea, on the ocean. Yes, it forms on sea. It is a huge activity. It affects thousands of kilometers. For example, if it forms on Bay of Bengal, and if its path is towards Bangladesh, then definitely in our state also there will be heavy rainfall and high wind speed. So if we know that there is cyclone, and if the damages and any heavy rainfall activity, then definitely we can say due to cyclone. That is a cyclone. But not always due to cyclones, it due to local weather activity. So these cyclones, it forms on sea, and then as soon as it reaches land, then it weakens. It will dissipate it gradually. But the areas
that rains forecast for 2 weeks that is issued every Thursday, and after that we come down, then we have a agromet advisory services bulletin. So this AAS bulletin is given every Tuesday and Friday for only agromet services, and this is a composite bulletin in the way that it is a collaboration between IMD and ICR. So IMD is giving the weather part, ICR is giving the weather, the agriculture advisory. So it's a composite bulletin, It's issued every Tuesday and Friday. And after that we go. Then we have daily forecast for 7 days and warnings for 5 days. So this is updated once in a day. And if there's any severe weather, then we update it in the evening also, if there's any weather change. Other than that, we have this nowcast, which we are giving every 3 hourly. So maybe this one, this is the one which you say we are giving updated daily. So this is very different from the ones which we give for the whole day. The whole day means you can have a general condition, but nowcast it covers the next 3 days. 3 hours. That means it covers the next 3 hours. That means it's very specific which region. We're marked in the map also which region. So normally in the daily forecast you have district wise. So you will not have that location specific. So nowcast we have this location specific. That's why that scales of forecast needs to be understood. My officers will explain in details, even the intensity and the special distributions also. And color coded warning, I think this one we should start for any severe weather. We will start with English and Khasi. That's video Madam has suggested. So we will give with what is happening now and what will be the expected weather in the next few days. Okay. This if we give a video of to start with English and Khasi, then it will have the power. So this one we can always do. And of course, color coded warning. Today itself you'll be presenting. So there you can make a video of it, and I think you can disseminate this. And this can be a good starting point. Every 15 minutes you'll get the data. So we have maximum, minimum, and dry bulb. And this will give you the entire temperature. Yeah, this one is how all the.
Already engaged towards you.
Measuring how much evaporation is there every day. What happened? Okay. We are out of charge.